I was hoping this would come in today. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I was hoping, and I thought it would, but I was hoping it would come in today. I've got my May 2026 Bargain Bead Box, and I'll have to tell you something up front. Normally, every now and then, I might go watch her sneak peek, but normally I don't. And I was on my group, and there's if you remember, you know what I'm talking about. But if you don't know, if you're not a member of Bargain Bead Box, you probably don't know. But on Facebook, there's a group, and it's for members, you know, that get this kit, and then you can go on there and show your jewelry, and she does like a drawing every so often, and you win a prize and this and that. Anyway, it's a fun group. But I was on the group, and everybody just kept talking about the sneak peek and how May's going to be. So I did go watch a little bit of her sneak peek. Now, she doesn't show everything that comes in the kit, so I don't know everything that's in here, but I do know a little bit. But I was actually looking forward, because it's a pretty nice little kit. So I was looking forward to getting this. So let's go ahead and open it up. So the title for this month, or the theme for this month, is Serengeti Safari. So if you like safari animals, you know, you're gonna like this. This will be fun. So let me go ahead and grab all of this, get it organized, and I'll be right back. I got that done pretty quick. And by the way, I want to tell you all, I've got new lights coming in. They should be here Sunday. So yay! So if my last video has been a little bit dark for you, then hopefully starting next week they'll be brighter. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and get to this. Number one, we have 39mm leopard skin jasper teardrop pendant, and it retails for $5.99. I have not heard of leopard skin jasper. Oh, but that's really pretty. Is that picking up all that color? Wow. Gosh, both sides beautiful. I don't know which side I like better. Oh man, this is really pretty. It's smooth. Feels good to your skin. Oh, that is nice. Number two, leopard skin jasper tumbled nugget beads on a 7.5-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. Oh, those are cute. No wonder this is safari. I mean, my gosh, this looks like leopards, and which it is called leopard skin, right? What did I just read? Yeah, leopard skin. It does look like a leopard, but there's some stripes in there too. This is pretty cool. I don't think she showed these on her end. I think she might have showed the pendant, but it's a lot prettier in person. Okay, number three, we have 8mm brown zebra jasper round beads on a 15-inch string. They retail for $7.99. So we've got leopards, now we've got zebras. I wonder if we're going to have a giraffe. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, I guess it's a brown zebra, but oh gosh, that's gorgeous. Man, I like those. Look how pretty that is. I hope it comes through on the camera, but honestly, I don't think it's going to, because some of the stuff that she showed on her camera was beautiful, but seeing it in person, it's a whole lot different. Wow, I love this. Okay, number four, we have 10mm zebra jasper faceted coin beads on 4.7 inches, and it retails for $5.99. Oh, those are cute. Oh, that would make a real pretty bracelet, just that in itself. I'm kind of anxious to get started on this one. Number five, 10mm leopard skin jasper round beads on a 5-inch string. They retail for $3.99. Yeah, those are pretty too. I think I've seen those. 10 millimeter, I'd say 10 millimeter. Number 6, we have 8 millimeter agate dyed and heat treated black and white faceted round druzy beads on a 7.5 string, and they retail for $8.99. Oh, those are pretty. Looks like a snake in the video. Or I mean in my camera is what I meant to say. That's pretty though. Number 7, we have 7 to 8 millimeter red rainbow jasper English cut faceted round beads on a 7-inch string. They retail for $5.99. Oh, that's pretty too. That's like red clay look. Like, have you ever seen red dirt? Where is it? We don't have red dirt here, but I'm trying to think. I have been in the state. I want to think maybe, was it Virginia? I can't remember exactly, but I know I have been to a state that had that red dirt, and that's kind of what that looks like. Or like a clay pot. But that's really pretty. I guess I haven't seen red jasper before. Okay, number 8, we have 4x2 millimeter African turquoise dyed jasper Hishi beads on a 7.5-inch string, and they retail for $5.99. Those are really pretty. If you know a state has red dirt, tell me, because I cannot remember who. I swear I'm wanting to think Virginia or somewhere in that area, but I can't remember for certain. Okay, number 9, mahogany obsidian tumbled nugget beads on a 7.5-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. Those are pretty. In certain light, it looks like milk chocolate. Number 10, we have 4.5 millimeter crystal faceted triangle beads in Safari Mix on a 15-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. I love triangle beads. Oh, those are pretty. Look at that. Yeah, those are really pretty. Those are really pretty. Okay, number 11. We have 6x4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in champagne shimmer on a 7.5-inch string, and they retail for $2.99. This is one of my favorite beads too. The champagne shimmer, and then it's got that AB finish. Right? Did I say it? Oh no, it's just champagne shimmer. Sorry. But I think these are so, so pretty. Aren't those pretty? I mean, they just catch the light. Okay, number 12, we have a 38 by 35 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel giraffe. There's our giraffe. Giraffe pendant, and it retails for $3.99. Oh, look at that. Oh, I do remember seeing that, because she said this is kind of giving a nod to Mother's Day because it's the mama giraffe and the baby giraffe, so it's sort of a nod to mamas out there. Oh, I love that. Isn't that so pretty? That's just precious. That is precious. Number 13, we have 2 pieces of 20 millimeter freshwater shell links with elephant pattern. So we got our elephants now. They retail for $2.99. I did not see these. Oh, those are cool. Look at that. Those are cool. I don't want to get too close and then blur it. Oh, I love those. Wow. Those I love. Okay, I guess I could put them here. Number 14, we have a 13 by 11 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated stainless steel lion bead. It retails for $2.99. So we got the whole jungle. Oh, that looks like one of those lion knockers. You know, that it's holding the knocker part in its mouth, like those old timey. That's exactly what that looks like to me. Hopefully, I can, during editing, I'll zoom that in and hopefully you can see it a little better. That is cool. Alright. Number 15, we have two pieces of 14 by 15 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass giraffe charms, and they retail for $2.99. Oh, these are adorable. Oh my gosh, look. If I can get it. Look at that. Those are so sweet. And of course they'd be perfect with, I'm sure that's why she done that, but they'd be perfect with this giraffe pendant. Oh, I love that. Okay, number 18, we have two pieces of 14 by 11 millimeter handmade porcelain elephant beads in ivory. And they retail for $2.99, but I don't think it's elephant. Was it ivory? Isn't it ivory from elephant trunks? But I don't think it's coming from that. Look at that. Those are sweet. Cute little guys. Number 17, we have 20-piece 7 millimeter textured bicone spacer beads, and they retail for $2.99. Oh, those are pretty little spacer beads. They almost look oriental in a way. I don't know, something makes me think either or Greek. Maybe it's Greek, I'm thinking. Number 18, we have two pieces of 18 karat gold plated stainless steel lobster claw clasp, and they retail for $2.99. And this is our chain. She always sends us a chain, and I like that. This is 19 meter, or number 19 is, I guess it's 1 meter, maybe 3 by 2 millimeter stainless steel cable chain, and it retails for $4.99. I don't know if that says that on here. It is 1 meter. Okay. But she always sends a little chain. But that is really pretty too. Okay. So, if you're new to Bargain Bead Box, they are a bead box company, and they curate a theme. I mean, they come up with a theme each month, and then they curate the beads to match that theme and obviously match each other. And and they sell it to us for a discounted price. You heard me keep telling you that this such and such is this much and this much. It retails for this much. Well, we got 19 in this kit because this stuff is expensive. Normally, sometimes, a lot of times we get anywhere from we get anywhere from 19 to 22 pieces. But the more expensive the pieces are, of course, the less we get, which makes sense. But this retailed for $90.81. So I paid $25 for it. So that's why it is, I love Bargain Bead Box. They are my favorite. But I love these bead box companies because you can't go out and get this quality jewelry, you know, beads. No, I'm trying to say, like natural stones, you know, stuff like that. You cannot go out anywhere and get that and pay $25 for this. There is absolutely no way. So anyway, I will have a link in the description box below. You can go through that link to get to me, and that's going through me, and that just says, hey, I've watched April's video and I'm here, you know, because I've seen her video and I want to become a member too. You can cancel at any time, and I love them. If you are in jewelry or want to get into jewelry, you will absolutely not regret being with them. I love them. But anyway, they also have a sister store. So this is Bargain Bead Box. Their sister store is Bead Box Bargains. And on this paper that they send you each month, there is a 30% coupon code. So you can go to their sister store and use that 30% code and use it as many times as you want that month. It's not just a one-time only thing. As many times as you want to buy from that store, for all of this month of May, anytime I want to go and buy something from them, I can use that 30% off. And that helps. That saves quite a bit of money. So anyway, this is May 2026 Bargain Bead Box, and I'm absolutely just loving this. I really love this. I can't wait to get started with it. But it probably will be next week, because today's Friday. This weekend obviously is Mother's Day, but it's also my oldest niece's graduating college, so I've got a lot going on this weekend. And then I want to do a video of what I'm making my mom for Mother's Day, so I'll probably try to put that out before I come back and actually make anything using this. Now this is going out tonight or tomorrow, this unboxing, but as far as me making anything, yeah, it'd probably be Monday, Tuesday, something like that, before I can get anything made. But I can't wait though. I love it. This has made my night. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope I have inspired you if you've been thinking about them or maybe never heard of them but want to join them. I hope I've inspired you. Like I said, just go use that link, and that's going through me to get to them, and it'll be in the description box below. So other than that, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your night, and if you're a mama, then happy Mother's Day. If you're not a mama, and your mama's still alive, hopefully you can go visit your mama. And then if you have lost your mama, then my heart goes out to you. I know my husband, this is going to be a real hard Mother's Day for him. This is the first year without my mother-in-law, and then my aunt and cousin that got murdered last year. I don't know if y'all know that or not. But I don't know if y'all know that or not. I think I had said something last year when she got murdered on here. I can't remember, but that was back in July, and that was a very hard time in my life. And then we lost my aunt and my cousin in July, and then my mother-in-law in September. So those couple of months were not good. And then I lost my cousin that was real close to this past February, and in fact she was buried. Her funeral was on my birthday. So this has been, the last several months have been very, very hard, and this was my 50th birthday, and we had to bury her. So anyway, I'm not here to say a sad sob story. I'm just I guess just saying that in case you don't get to be with your mama, then I understand, and my heart's with you, and I'm praying for everybody. So anyway, that's all. So I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your night, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.